This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I'm again with another pack for you guys from Amazon, and we have here trimmer, nose here trimmer for you guys. So let me take this off from here. Lovely looking Amazon pack I bought a couple of days ago. Today I've got this product. This is free with Amazon Prime. Okay, I have a Prime service. So let me take this off from here, and it's coming out all the way. Lovely. Okay, let me take this off, and we see we have two. So let me take this out. The first one is Remington, and the second one I have brown. So here we go. You see, this is Remington, established New York 1937, 100 years old company, Nano series, nose and detail trimmer. Very detailed it should be. I've tried many of them, another product from Remington Phillips. So I'm gonna check this is good or not. So here the main machine picture, +4 is written. Different other information as well. Okay, you can wash. This is washable. You have some extra head. You can cut your hair or other stuff or beard as well. And here you see this is one blade. You can cut the hair from your nose and your hair or other places as well. So multi-purpose, you can use this. Here we go. Very lovely is coming out. Here we go. And let's see. Okay, let me take this out slowly. Lovely packaging. Let's see what we have inside. Nothing. Fine, I put one side, this one. Here we go. This pack is something as Amazon Fire Stick, this one. Very simple. Other Remington product had better packaging, but whatever. Let's see. Here is the main thing. The machine wrapped in the paper. We'll go to that later. Let's see what we have more here. This is very rubbish way. They pack the manual, you can see. Very ugly way. You can pack manuals. Wow. Very bad. Looks very ugly. Cheap way. Machine is not cheap, 20 euros. It's a good value. So let's see what we have here. Let me take this off from here. Let's see. So we have a battery. This is good thinking. Alkaline battery should be rechargeable. It would be better. And some other stuff we have. We have a head. You see, lovely, very beautiful. This one I like. It's elegant. Okay, the head. Put one side here, bottom. Okay, let's see this one. We have one of the heads. Lovely. It's coming with extender, I can say that. And you can take this out as well. You see, lovely. This is head. Looks quite good, guys. Interesting. The blade you can see here. Wow. This head as well. You can extend. You have different size here. This I like. The other company, they don't have this one. So in this case, this is better. You can adjust the size. Philips didn't have this one. Put inside, I think. This is the way. You can take this as a travel kit to cut your hair, beard, nose, whatever you want. Yeah, this one is good. And main device here. Wrapped in the paper. I'm taking out. Lovely. This is a quality product, guys. The other Remington that I bought, that was 12 euros. That wasn't that good. But this is a quality product. You see, you can washable. You can see here the grip, how it is. Remington is written. And it's heavy. It feels as a power. This must be battery. Lovely. Take this off from here at the bottom. You can put a battery in this case. Wow. So I'm gonna put a rechargeable battery. This is from Panasonic InLoop. I like this battery. It's very good. And let's see how we can put inside. I guess this way, or maybe this way. Maybe this is the way. The power button is on. Okay, in this is good or bad, I don't know. Button is down. You see here, you move is on, move other direction is off. On and off here. See, on, off. Awkward way putting the button, to be honest. Yeah, this one I don't know what is the function. And I'm gonna take this out. This, you see, lovely, this one. Show you the blade, how it is. And I put from down. It has a power. I feel good power in this. See the blade, how it's moving. Wow. But the button position is not good, guys. Whatever, I'm gonna take this head off. Clockwise direction, if you move, I guess I can take this off. Here we go. Easy, looks something as the Philips the same way. Better than Wall. That is another, I tried the German brand. And I'm gonna put the another head here. Lovely. Tight a bit. And the bottom. You move only the button I don't like. But here, you see, it's powerful. It's vibrate a lot. Okay. And I will take this head out to show you guys. Lovely machine, powerful, I feel at my hand. Wow. Only at the bottom, this button here, I should be at the middle, the button, more standard. Let me show you the body more closer. Here you have some hole. Anti-clockwise direction to take out. Put another head. Now we'll check with another head here. See how lovely. It has a good grip, guys. Wow. It is strong. You can cut very easily your beard here, other stuff, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna show you how you can cut. I can show you. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.